Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be making a DIY and styling my entryway. So come on with me, guys. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Styling My Way. And this is being hosted by Design with Emma and myself, the Grace Life DIY home decor. Now we also have Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, and anyone else that I may be forgetting will be linked in the description box below. So let's get started, guys. So these bowls that you see right here, I purchased those at Walmart and they were like 50 cents a piece, and what a beautiful color peach this is. So I thought this would be perfect for the theme of this collaboration, which is orange and cream. So I'm gonna do my best to give you exactly that. So here I decided to go ahead and just glue these two bowls together. I absolutely love this style for a floral pot, except this time we're using a flower arrangement. And it's so easy because I had already done the flower arrangement, and so all I have to do is place it in this bowl, and then we're gonna head on over to decorate. So I think this orange and cream colors go perfectly with the summer season, and this floral arrangement is absolutely gorgeous. So let's head on over to decorate. So you saw me wipe everything down, and I'm going to use this welcome sign that I DIY'd in a previous collab, and I think this goes perfectly. I didn't hang this on the front door because I have the red, white, and blue that's coming up for July 4th, and I didn't want to keep taking it down. So I just hung it on the inner part of my entryway. So here I have the picture frame with the limes, I should say, that match the welcome sign. So now I'm gonna bring over the centerpiece that we DIY'd at the beginning of the video. Isn't this absolutely gorgeous, guys? I love these colors of these bowls. They were only like 50 cents, like I said, from Walmart, and that was that floral arrangement I had made on a live. So it just came out so beautiful. I love these colors, and now I'm going to go ahead and get the rest so we can finish up and go to the reveal. So how fun are these citrus elements that I'm using here for this entryway? I am loving it. And I thrifted these oranges right here. Oh, it is so adorable. So let's head on over to the reveal. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. And don't forget that tomorrow we have a collaboration called Living the Outdoor Life, and that you don't want to miss. Amen.